Welcome to our guide on propagating mango trees. Today, we'll explore various methods to multiply these delightful tropical trees. Mangoes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. If you're looking to expand your mango orchard or just start one, you're in the right place. Grafting is a reliable way to clone your favorite mango variety. Here's a quick rundown. Cleft grafting. Insert a small scion into a split rootstock and secure it. Side veneer grafting. Make a sloping cut on the rootstock and a matching wedge on the scion, then fit them together. Air layering encourages early fruiting and preserves the genetics of the parent tree. Wrap a moist medium around a small branch and cover it with plastic until roots develop. While challenging, growing mangoes from seed can be rewarding. Extract the seed. Carefully open the husk to get the seed, prepping for germination. Clean the seed and let it dry in the shade. Planting. Plant the seed in well-draining soil and keep it moist. With patience and care, you can successfully propagate mango trees and enjoy their fruits for years to come. Happy gardening!